Guess what? I was so impressed by Josh. He made $3,000 average per day in last 45 days just by simply share a TikTok post and also doing a live FAQ section. That's how he promote like an ABS business system, which is the same system I'm promoting. But I've been struggle and I'm trying to figure out on my way and didn't see results. Now I'm so excited. I didn't realize you can marketing business and make money through the TikTok video post. That's incredible. I'm going to clone his idea and his model, and we are going to share the video, and I'm going to challenge myself. Even so, to produce video in front of camera is difficult for me. But I challenge myself. In next 30 days, I will do a couple video posts every day and also going to run the live FAQ section. I want to do same thing as he doing, make an average $3,000 per day, which means is $90,000 a month and over $1 million a year. That sure will replace my real estate agency business. I'm so excited. Let me show you real result he posted. Now we come into 4% community. Let me log in. Then we're going to enter the affiliate business group. Now you can see there's over 1,000 people in the community. There's a gentleman called Vic, and he's our mentor. So this community is about to helping entrepreneurs and small business owners to make good money and build a successful business online. Here is, you can see there's Josh, and he made a post. He said that in his first month's result, he joined about the 3rd of March. So this post is 2nd of April 2024, which is just about 1 month. So what he said, in his first month, he made $40,000 and he made over 100 sales. That's incredible. We're going to his profile page. You can see all the posts here. So that's 45K in 15 days. He made over $44,925 US and over 104 transactions. That meaning average is $3,000 a day and will be $90,000 a month and over $1 million a year. That surely can replace my professional real estate agency business. And that's the one we just saw. And you can see that's the other one. He said that in first 5 days, he made almost $9,000 and make a 20 sales transaction. That's the first post I saw. He said that that's a little inspiration. And he made 3 sales in first 2 days and generally over $1,300 with this we call ABS business system. And that's the one I've been promote and I've been struggle and cannot get the result. But this gentleman, he's just doing a simple technique through TikTok video posts every day, and plus he doing a live FAQ. Simple. Now I'm going to learn from him and we'll do exactly same as he doing. I want to challenge myself in next 30 days and I want to see the same result. If you like to watch me to see my challenge in next 30 days and also like to follow me and get the inspiration, please like, and if you can make a comment, even better. You can ask any questions. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching.